Good morning and welcome back to Scale Auto Guy's Workbench. Today's video is about an awesome adventure my family and I had taken a few years back. I know this is not the normal model car build video, and that's okay. This is a little bit of a sidestep adventure that I wanted to share with you guys. So today in this video I'm visiting West Chester, Ohio area, and I stumbled across a place called Entertrainment Junction. No, I didn't mispronounce that word. It's called Entertrainment because that's what it is. Trains. It was the world's largest indoor model train display. It closed this past January, but this was a 25,000 square foot display of trains, towns, mountains, and large cities. It was just a short drive off of the Interstate in West Chester, Ohio. Sadly, they closed down, like I said, back in January, but it has been acquired by a company called Firecrown that will be moving the whole display to Chattanooga, Tennessee, and is slated to open spring of next year. That would be 2026. Now, it's been several years since this footage was shot, but I wanted to share this with you guys. Entertainment Junction was a place to take your entire family for a journey through time and trains, but there's more than just trains. There was even a scavenger hunt that you could do while you were looking at the trains. My family and I had a great time looking for all of the hidden items on the list. As you begin on the winding walkway through the building, you step back in time, where early trains helped to shape our country. On this path, you will journey through a time where steam locomotives ruled as modern transportation. As you move down the path, you'll see the changes in the landscape and eras that all of these trains would have existed in. You will also see how the trains were the backbone to Civil War armies, moving men and armament and supplies to where they were needed, as well as helping move people around our country. As you continue, you'll see how time has changed the way trains were used. Modern cities sprung up around once thriving railroad hubs when the passenger trains shuffled people from one point to another, and how, as the automobile gained in popularity, trains went from moving people to moving large loads of freight. Now, occasionally along the walk through the building, you will come across artifacts that have come from actual train station locations around the Dayton, Ohio area, as well as some history of trains and how they evolved over the years, as well as interesting information on what it took to put this display together. About midway through the tour, you'll discover an observation platform that gives you spectacular views of the layout from above. Once on top, you can look around and really get a bird's eye view of almost the entire layout. It's from this observation point that you'll get to see the entire scale-sized amusement park. There's even a hot air balloon that rises and falls. The entire building, the lighting would slowly change as you walk through so that you'll be able to experience the entire layout in daytime and nighttime views. station where we ever I heard right at the top of the blanket.
Yeah, well,
As you approach the end of your journey, you'll begin to see a more modern day diesel electric trains and a massive rail yard where boxcars and cargo boxes are being loaded and unloaded off of train cars. Shortly after the rail yard, the path ends at the gift shop, where you could purchase toys, train sets, and other memorabilia of your trip. They even had large dollhouse kits for sale for those of you who have the skill and patience to build those. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing this little journey through time and just getting a glimpse of how the steam locomotive is just the beginning of what we know and see today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comments are always welcome. See you next time on Scale Out a Guy's Workbench.